Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have 2 new entries. Shelby Crimmins. I think she made the envelope, guys. She did, look. I think this is Dulce. So pretty. Can you guys see? There, the carousel and the sugary sweet treats in there. She has a little note. This is her entry. So pretty. Let's see. It says, Dear Eileen, happy birthday. Hope you had a great celebration and enjoyed this giveaway. I haven't made many memory dexes. This is probably only my 3rd. I hope you like how it came out. I used Dulce. Yes, I figured it out. Yes, yes. By Prima Frank Garcia. I really love this collection. Hope this reaches you quickly. From Shelby. And her Instagram is Future Fields. Okay, guys. This is so cute. Yes, girl. I have Dulce also. I have not used it yet. Mainly, I don't know, because it's so pretty. So for now, I'm just like hoarding it in my stash. So here we go. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this out because some of them are, you know, sequins want to stick to everything. So look, it's even sticking to me. But look at her beautiful entry. This is gorgeous. I love this. I love this. So fun, so fun, so fun. Getting all the sequins. Oh yes, oh yes. Okay, so she used Dulce and she also used a die cut. So this is a faux stitch die cut and it's a little pocket. So cute, guys. Look at that. So that's the pocket right there. Yeah, because I was about to try to pull this. You don't pull this out. This is just the backing. And there it is. This is her entry, guys. So pretty. So the back looks like this. But she used a doily. She wrapped around from the front to the back. And I love that paper. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And then the front looks like this. And it's her little pocket, guys. You could put either your info or your whatever, likes, dislikes. Don't forget, okay? So the pocket is a good way to hide the information that you don't want to be seen on camera or automatically, you know, just showing. So love this die, guys. This is beautiful, babe. This is amazing. I'm going to put your little note in here also so that it just stays safe. I wonder if it could go in here like that. Oh, there you go. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. I love it when it works out like that. She's got some of the chipboard here and some of the cut parts or die cuts. So cute. Beautiful life. Thank you so much for entering. This is Shelby and Future Fields at Future Fields on Instagram. And I will make sure I share her link down below. Go check her out, guys. Let's go into the next entry. All right, and this one is coming from Donna Gonzalez. She got a girl with a purple skirt. Oh my goodness, this is too cute. Look at all this. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, and she put some balls in there, guys. Oh my gosh. What is this? Oh my gosh, I thought this was her memory dex card. This is not a memory dex card. It's a card. It's a slim, the one Wandy was sharing with us. Wandy and Erica were making these, what is it called? Is it slim cards? Slimline cards? This is gorgeous. Look at her skirt. It's purple. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my gosh. This is sparkle. She's got some stars. This is a chipboard piece right here. And she has a cupcake liner rosette in the background with the little stickles on the edging. Oh my gosh, so much detail. She's got a button with some bow here. And then she has a dangle. A dangle. Look at this jingle bell, guys. She got a little jingle bell die cut right there on a jump ring with her wire wrap bead. She's got a pearl, a sequin, a clear sequin. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a clear flower sequin, a heart bead, another clear flower, and another pearl. That is adorable. Oh my gosh, I love it. And it says hugs. Oh my god, it's so cute. The edging, she put some ink distress on the edges. So pretty. Oh my goodness, I love this. And I'm wondering if it opens. It opens up. Oh, look at her little sticker in the back. It says, or her label, it says handmade because I want to see your face with a smile. And it has Donna on the bottom. Oh my god. It says Eileen, September 2020. I want to wish you a very happy birthday. So happy I was able to join in on the fun of your challenge and hope you like what I sent you. Big hug, Donna. Donna's Whimsical Treasures on YouTube. Donna! Thank you, Donna. Thank you for joining. And she put that she did a VR for YouTube and Instagram. So thank you so much, Donna, for doing that. I got you, girl. Oh my gosh. So let me grab this really quick. So amazing. So amazing. Guys, she made this one open up. So see like that. Thank you so much, Donna. Oh my gosh. And she has her info in the card. She got her name, Donna Gonzalez, and her YouTube channel is Donna's Whimsical Treasures. And she's from Orlando, Florida. And her styles are whimsical. Fancy Shabby. Her birthday is in August, so she just had a birthday, guys. Go check her out, please, and go send her some happy birthday love. And it says her favorite holiday is Christmas. Her favorite snack is M&M's. Yes! Oh my gosh. Okay, so she likes the plain M&M's. I like the peanut M&M's and the seasonal M&M's that come out with like caramel and all that. Look at what she did. Look at what she did. Look at all these goodies, you guys. You don't have to do this, but oh my God, look at all these goodies. This is so cute, Donna. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Look at all the goodies. And she has flatback pearls or flatback jemmies in here and butterfly sequins and these curly strings, curly ribbon. Oh my gosh, Donna, thank you. And she put some flatback pearls in here. Look at this stuff. Oh my God. So many goodies, guys. Wait, let me show you her flower. Her layered flower right here with the Dollar Tree foam balls. And oh my goodness, so perfect. So perfect. I love this. This one says Cocoa Daisy, and I believe these are just flags. So embellishment flags that you can use. Oh wow, guys, it's like the faux leather and it's ready to go. I wonder if she made this. It's a sticker. Wow, Donna, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Look at all these goodies. Oh my gosh, I never got these. These are, I think, at Michael's. Are these at Michael's? Oh my gosh. It says congrats. Look at this little girl. This is a unicorn. This is a stamp set, guys. This is from the Shine collection. Shine Sticker Studio. And these are the clear stamps. Look at the unicorn. I love this chunky unicorn. Oh my God. And she got a balloon set here. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait to stamp it. Thank you so much, Donna. Thank you, thank you, thank you. She loaded this box with all kinds of ephemeras. Look at this. Okay, you guys, let me know where this is from because I don't recognize this from Hobby Lobby. I don't think this is from Hobby Lobby. So let me know. She put in here a little baggie and it has an ephemera. It says, even the hairs of your head are all numbered. Luke 12:7. Oh my gosh. So she made a little baggie for us. Beautiful. It's got a doily behind it. It's a felt doily. She's got the iridescent ribbon bow and a flower and this little gorgeous girl right here. Isn't she beautiful? Oh my gosh, Donna, this, you did not have to do all of this. Look at, she got a seal. My first seal. I didn't know. I have none. I have none. I just watched the ladies, Carolina. I watch you all make these things and I'm like, oh my gosh, to get one of those, that'd be so cute. But she also put, did you make these flares? You guys, there's flares in here. This little box is loaded. It is so full. Oh my goodness. Look at, there's another flower. Oh my goodness. Look, look, look. So she just tossed these in here. Oh my goodness, that donut. That donut. Oh my goodness. There's another wax seal. That is so pretty. The pineapple. Oh my God. Look at these. Look at these flares. I'm so excited, Donna. Thank you so much. This is a box of treasures. Yes, and a sequin mix. She already threw in sequins and she put it in the sequin mix. Like, girl. Oh my gosh. There's so many little itty bitty pearls in here, guys. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous treasures right here. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Oh, Donna, Donna, Donna. Look at you, girl. She gave me washi. What? It's all pink. All the pink colors. There's like sections of different designs on the washi tape. I haven't even gotten to her entry, guys. And there's another confetti mix. Oh my goodness. These butterflies. Oh, Did I tell you she's entry number 12? Oh my goodness. Another seal. You guys, this box is so full, so full. And she also includes, look at this. There's a tassel. Oh my God. Donna. Oh my gosh. And she's got these flowers. Oh my gosh. Bouquet dimensional stickers from American Crafts, I believe. Oh my goodness. Donna. What? So these are tags. There's 12 in here with the butterfly die right there. Beautiful flowers. Oh my gosh. What the world? What in the world? She got me some washi. Oh my God. Oh my God. Washi stickers, guys. And it says, dream in flowers, live, love, grow. Love grows here. And it just repeats. Oh my gosh. Look at that. So pretty. So pretty. Let's see. And she's got more tassels in here. Oh my gosh, Donna, this was way too much. I didn't realize you could fit so much stuff in this box. And I stuffed these boxes, but this is a lot. Okay, we're at the bottom. We're at the bottom. We're at the bottom. Here it is, guys. Guess what? Snow and cocoa. Snow and cocoa berry eggs. Oh my goodness. Let's take it out. Let's take it out. It says, hello, beautiful. Hello, beautiful. This is gorgeous. You guys, I'm so overwhelmed. Donna. Ooh, and it smells so pretty. Ooh, there's a scent in here. Smells so delicious. Ooh. Not delicious, but gorgeous. I just saw in the corner of my eye, look at there's another bead. It's a wire wrap bead with the sequins and the flower and the bead. And I have all of these. Now I know what to do. I can make these. Thank you so much, Donna. Thank you, thank you, thank you. There's several in here. Oh my gosh, Donna. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Snow and Cocoa. So look at her little ribbon. This is her paper ruffles. She zigzag stitched the ruffle with gold thread. And then she has a snowflake up on top right here. A gold snowflake with a bling in the center. And then she has a white snowflake with pink distress edges. And a little flower with a pink gemmy. Oh my gosh, you guys, can you see this gorgeousness? It says comfort and joy. And then it says snowflake kisses. And a little red truck. I love the little red truck, by the way, FYI. She has a gold stitch star underneath there and some ribbon trim. Oh my gosh, I love that trim, guys. And you don't see everything. It's just peekabooing everywhere. And I think this is a star die cut right here with, it's like a thin star shape with the faux stitching. So pretty. And there's the calendar in the background. And you got some bling and some flat back pearls. This is so full of inspiration. I love, 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 love it. And then she has her information on the back. She also has a Facebook. It's called Pastor Donna. Pastora Donna da Gonzalez. Yeah. And she also is on Instagram. It is Donna's _whimsical_ treasures. And she also has a blog, craftydonnascorner.blogspot.com. I'll do my best to link all of these in the description box below. So please, guys, go check her out. She is also on Pinterest and Twitter. I will share all this information. There is so many. So many. It just has 2020 Eileen's birthday giveaway. Thank you, Donna. Beautiful entry, my friend. Thank you so much for all your time that you put into this box. My goodness, I'm gonna have so much fun. There's a fox in here. There's a fox in here. It's a paper clip. What? Oh my goodness, this is such a cute idea, guys. Oh my goodness. So she has many social media platforms, guys, to check out. A Blogspot, Instagram, Twitter, all of the above. And she has pom-poms. And she has flat bags. There's another one of her wrap beads. Oh my gosh. I am in love with this box, guys. Thank you, Donna. Oh my goodness. This is so amazing. Thank you. I'm going to share all that on the bottom. So Donna and Shelby, I will be putting you all, double checking my list so that everything is double checked and make sure that you're all verified in their entries. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.